Can we expect a human life without problems? Problems are inevitable, mandatory. We cannot experience human life without problems unless someone becomes mentally retarded, wherein he becomes the problem. Every problem we encounter is a result of not doing the things we ought to do, not learning the things we ought to learn, not realizing the truths we ought to realize. And another reason can be postponement of things we need to do. The comfort and convenience we seek and our attitude of avoiding risks, doing the uncomfortable, that is, trying to be in the secure zone, makes us encounter problems. Problems create pain, so we cannot experience balance and peace in problems. Problems put our mind in a negative state, attracting more negative situations in life and making life complicated. Leading life with problems would make living life a painful experience. So most of the time of most of the people on this earth is being spent on creating solutions to the problems that we are encountering today. Every one of us must salute and express our utmost gratitude to the intellectual persons who have created some wonderful solutions, making living a more comfortable experience. And one truth we need to realize here is that most of the complicated problems can be solved with simple solutions. But considering the experience of the problem to be complicated, we are thinking solutions in a complicated manner. But in reality, no problem is complicated. See, the entire mental pain what we experience is just an outcome of wrong thoughts that are lodged in the mind. If we learn to handle thoughts, we can keep away from mental pain totally. The deeper we study the problem, the simpler the solution we can create. Let's experience one such person who came up with a solution for the biggest challenge that the world is encountering today. He is Mr. Narayana Pisapati, a former researcher with ICRISAT, established Bakey's Foods Private Limited in 2010, which manufactures edible cutlery for the first time of its kind in the world. India is a rice consuming nation, so rice has a lot of demand. But the problem with rice production is it consumes a lot of water. For example, with the water that is used to cultivate 1 acre of rice, we can cultivate 60 acres of millets, that is consuming 60 times more water. But why people are not cultivating millets? Because they have no demand in the market. So Narayana thought that he should create a demand for millets so that he can protect the groundwater also. Having awareness about the problems that plastic was creating to the environment and human life, he wanted to do something for it also. In the process of his research, he discovered that millets have carbohydrates and they do not get soggy or soft immediately. So he came up with an idea of creating spoons with millets. Selling 2 of his houses, he could raise 60 lakhs to design the manufacturing machines and establish his company with 30 employees. He manufactures 100% natural healthy, edible cutlery, that too with biodegradable packaging. He manufactures them in different flavors and tastes like cumin, mint ginger, carrot, beetroot, sugar, vanilla, lemon, and many other flavors. Initially, he started with spoons. Now, he is into many other products. He is planning to remove 120 billion spoons, that is 1.2 million tons of plastic waste in near future. His spoons are biodegradable and they get degraded in just 2 days. Probably if animals don't eat, even if people don't want to eat them. His simplest solution is bringing a great transformation in the universe, the environment, and also the lifestyle of people. So, complex problems can be solved with simple solutions. Think.
Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.